I hear Bharat celebrating the many voices of its people, each vocation echoing with pride and purpose. In the quiet fields, a farmer sows seeds into the earth, trusting time to turn effort into life, watching patiently as hope begins to grow. In humble workshops, a potter shapes clay with steady hands, transforming formless earth into meaningful art, step by step. Through the lively streets, music rises. Artisans play their instruments, filling the air with emotion, dreams, and celebration. With careful precision, carpenters craft from wood, measuring and shaping each piece with skill, turning imagination into reality. Electricians move with quiet rhythm, working through wires and light, bringing brightness into homes and illuminating lives. By the shores, boatmen sail into the vast waters, working together, singing as they go, returning with stories carried by the sea. In small shops, shoemakers create with care, crafting footwear that carries people through every step of life. Walking, running, dancing, and returning home. In kitchens, at construction sites, and in creative spaces, cooks, masons, and designers work in harmony, each celebrating their unique role, each adding to the rhythm of life. Every profession speaks its own language, yet together they form one powerful voice, the voice of identity. I hear Bharat celebrating again, a symphony of diverse vocations, united in purpose, dignity, and pride.